Most people enter crypto thinking they'll make quick money. And most of them leave with losses, confusion, and frustration. Not because crypto is impossible, but because they never had a system. Today, this video breaks down a powerful book that shows you exactly how to build your first profitable crypto trading system, not based on luck, not based on signals, but on rules you can actually follow. And here's the reality no one tells beginners. The market doesn't destroy you. Your own decisions do. Think about this. You see a coin pumping fast. Everyone is talking about it. Screenshots everywhere. Profits everywhere. You feel it. That pressure. That urge. If I don't enter now, I'll miss it. So you enter. And right after you buy, the price drops. You panic. You sell. Loss locked. Then you try again, to recover. Another trade. Another mistake. And before you even realize what happened, your account is bleeding. This isn't bad luck. This is a pattern. Excitement, trade, loss, frustration, repeat. And if you don't break this cycle early, it will break your account. Most beginners think the problem is strategy. It's not. It's emotion. FOMO pulls you in late. Fear pushes you out early. Revenge trading makes you risk more than you should. Overtrading keeps you stuck in constant mistakes. And here's the brutal truth. If you don't control your actions, the market will control your money. Now let's flip the perspective. Imagine two traders. Same market. Same opportunities. One follows rules. The other follows feelings. After a month, one is growing slowly. The other is almost wiped out. What changed? Not the market. The mindset. Because trading is not about finding a perfect strategy. It's about executing a simple one, consistently. And that starts with one shift most people resist. Accepting losses. Not avoiding them. Not fearing them. Accepting them. Because losses are not failure. They're the cost of doing business. The moment you stop trying to win every trade, you start thinking in probabilities. Not, this trade must win. But, over time, my system will win. And that's where control begins. Now here's where most people sabotage themselves again. They try to copy others. They see scalpers making fast money. They see swing traders holding for weeks. They jump from one style to another. And end up mastering none. Because the best trading style is not the fastest. It's the one you can actually follow. If you don't have time to watch charts all day, scalping will destroy you. If you're impatient, swing trading will frustrate you. Your system must fit your life. Not someone else's highlight reel. And once you choose your style, everything changes. Because now you can finally build rules. Clear rules. Not guesses. Not hope. Rules. Every trade should answer 3 simple questions. Why am I entering? Where will I exit if I'm right? And where will I exit if I'm wrong? If you don't have all 3, you're not trading. You're gambling. And this is where most people lose everything. Not on entry, but on exit. They hold losing trades, hoping price will come back. They take profits too early, fearing it might reverse. They move stop losses, because they feel the market will turn. And slowly. Small wins. Big losses. Account gone. But disciplined traders do the opposite. They plan before they enter. They accept small losses. They stick to their exits. And over time, they grow. Not fast, but consistently. Now listen carefully, because this is the part that decides if you survive or disappear. Risk management. Ignore this, and your account is finished. Not maybe. Definitely. Because it doesn't matter how good your strategy is. If you risk too much, one bad trade can erase everything. Let's make it simple. If you have $1,000, and you risk 50% on one trade, 2 losses, and you're out. Game over. But if you risk just 1 to 2% per trade, even after multiple losses, you're still in the game. And that's the real goal. Survival. Because if you survive, you improve. If you blow your account, you're done. And this is where beginners fail again. They want fast money. So they take big risks. And big risks don't create success. They create short-lived luck. Then long-term losses. Smart traders think differently. They don't chase big wins. They protect their capital. Because capital is opportunity. Lose it, and you lose your ability to play the game. Now here's where everything comes together. Because knowledge alone won't make you money. A system will. A system is simple. It's a set of rules you follow every single time. No guessing. No emotions. No random decisions. Just structure. For example, you choose swing trading. You trade only in trend direction. You enter on pullbacks. You risk 2% per trade. You set a stop loss. You take profit at key levels. That's it. Simple. And that's why it works. Because complexity creates confusion. And confusion creates losses. But there's one more step most people skip. Testing. Before you trust your system, you test it. You go back. You check past charts. You see if your rules actually work. Because confidence doesn't come from hope. It comes from proof. And then, you track everything. Every trade. Every entry. Every exit. Every mistake. Because after 20, 30 trades, patterns start showing. And that's how you improve faster than everyone else. Not by watching more videos, but by understanding your own behavior. If you want full access to this book and a complete breakdown of how to build and refine your own trading system, the link is in the description and pinned comment. Because what we've covered here is just the foundation. The real value is in applying it step by step, and turning it into your own system. One you trust. One you follow. One that works for you. And here's what separates traders who make it from those who don't. It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's discipline. Because in the end, trading is simple. But not easy. And the moment you stop chasing the market and start following your system, that's the moment you stop gambling and start trading like a professional.